So first you go and create a company. Go to Alt F3. Under company info, go to create company. So in the name, you have to type in Benjamin, name along with test number 1. So Benjamin test 1. For example, I am creating the name of the company, Benjamin test 1. Okay, enter. Then provide mail address and then country. Select India and state. You can select Tamil Nadu. In other details, contact details, give your phone numbers, mobile number, fax number. If you are having email ID, you can give your email ID. If you have website address, you can type it website address and accept the screen. So this is the first step. We are creating our company in Tally. So under books and financial year, you have to give financial year begins from 1/4/2020 and books begin from 1/4/2020. Don't give any security control here. If you are giving security control, you must keep your password safe. You should not forget your password. Once you forget your password, you cannot log in again. So for practice, don't give security control now. Kindly accept this thing. Now you have created your company. This is the first step. Once you have created your company, it comes with Gateway of Tally. So you can view your company name of the company under you can view Benjamin test number 1. So in the top, you can see your current period. So it shows 1/4/2020, starting date and end date 31/3/2020. Is it okay, guys? Okay, then show me the sum. Now we are going to record for 25 entries in accounting voucher. It includes both accounting voucher and non-accounting vouchers. So first one, 1/7/2020. Arul introduced cash rupees 20 lakhs as capital into his business. This is the sum they have given. So here Arul introduced capital by giving a cash. Now we are going to record under this one in receipt entry. Steps. Go to Gateway of Tally. Under Gateway of Tally, go to accounting voucher. I am going with shortcut method. Go to accounting voucher. Now we have to select F6. F6 for receipt voucher. So under receipt voucher, we have to select date. F2. Press F2 and change your current date. 1/7/2020. 1/7/2020. 1/7/2020. Yes. So under account, we have to select cash account. Select cash account. Under particulars, we have to create new ledger. So here Arun is introducing capital, so we have to create a new ledger in the name of Arul. Go to Alt C, Arul's capital. It comes under capital account. Under capital account, accept this screen. Enter the amount 20 lakhs. Then give the narration being Arun introduce the capital. Provide the narration and accept the screen. So now we have recorded first entry. Then go to some second transaction. (1/7/2020) deposited cash rupees 2 lakhs into HDFC Bank. So out of 20 lakhs which we have received from capital Arul, out of 2 lakhs we are going to deposit into HDFC Bank. So This is for contra entry. Go to Tally. Contra entry, we have to press F4. The date, it is 1/7. So you need not to change date here. So here we have to create HDFC Bank. Since we are going to debit for HDFC Bank account, we have to create new ledger. Go to Alt C. Create HDFC Bank account. Under bank account, if you are having bank details, you can fill it up here. Now I don't have any bank details, so I am just skipping on this screen and accept the screen. So all this detail you can view in your passbooks. Then credit, cash, select cash. If you are selecting cash, it shows the current balance of 20 lakhs rupees in your Tally books. Out of 20 lakh, so we are taking out 2 lakhs rupees into HDFC Bank. So enter 2 lakhs. Now we can see the difference under HDFC Bank account. You can view your current balance. It shows 2 lakhs rupees. And simultaneously, your cash account, it reduced up to 20 lakhs to 18 lakhs. Enter. Now you have to give your denomination. 100. Accept. Provide narration. Being cash deposited into HDFC Bank. Accept the screen. Then shall we go to third entry? Third entry, 1/7/2020, paid rupees 50,000 as salary to staff through HDFC Bank, check number 101. So we are providing, that company is providing salary rupees 50,000 from HDFC Bank. So it is a payment entry. Now we are going to enter for payment voucher. Enter F5 for payment voucher, press F5. The date is 1/7, so you need not to change the date. Same date. We are providing the salary from HDFC Bank, so we have to select HDFC Bank. Select HDFC Bank in account. Now we have to create a ledger. So we are providing salary expenses. So we have to create salary ledger. Alt C. Salary. Under indirect expenses. Accept. Enter amount 50,000. If you are entering amount 50,000, so HDFC balance will be reduced. So you can view your current balance under HDFC. It shows 1,50,000. For salary, it is 50,000. Now your voucher is right. Accept and provide the narration. Under narration being so here under check details, it will ask. Enter check number, it is 101. Under instrument number, you have to enter 101. Enter. Now you have to enter 101. Accept. Provide the narration. Being salary paid through HDFC Bank. Then next entry, 1/7/2020, made a HDFC check payment rupees 20,000 towards traveling expenses and rupees 30,000 towards food expenses by check number 102. So in this transaction, you are making 2 payments with 1 check. Okay. So here now we have to record in this transaction same manner. So we have to record with the help of payment voucher. So under payment voucher we have to select F5. We need not to change the date. So already it is 1/7 only we are booking it. So select the account HDFC Bank. So it shows 1,50,000 current balance. So now we are making out of 1,50,000, we are going to making two payments. One is for traveling expenses. So we have to create traveling expenses and food expenses. All to see traveling expenses. It's also indirect expenses. Rupees 20,000. Then Alt C, food expenses. Indirect expenses 30,000. So with the help of one check, we are providing two payments here. So this is the difference with previous voucher and this voucher. Accept the voucher and provide the narration being traveling and food expenses paid. Check number 102. Check number 102. The same day being traveling and food expenses is paid through HDFC Bank. So we are making, in this transaction, we are making two payments with one check. So in previous entry, we have made one payment with one check. So this is the difference. Accept this thing. Then next entry, fifth entry, 1/7/2020, purchase goods for rupees 20,000 on cash. So in this transaction, we are purchasing goods on cash base. So if you go through this sum, they don't give any stock items or any quantity. So in simply we have to enter this entry in voucher mode. Okay, so it's also a purchase voucher. So we are going to record in purchase voucher. So instead of selecting payment voucher, we have to select purchase voucher by pressing F8. F8. So now when you enter F9, it shows purchase voucher. So it shows in invoice mode. So we have to change with invoice mode to voucher mode. Control V. If you press Control V, it comes to voucher mode. So after voucher mode, it shows after particulars 2. Instead of 2, I am going to change with DR and CR. Enter F12. Press F12. F12. Activate. Use CR, DR instead of 2 and by. In second entry, I am going to enter yes. Accept. Control A. Accept. Once again, go back. F12. F12 enter panina. It shows CR and DR instead of 2 and by. Yes. Accept. Okay. So now create cash. Select cash. Don't ask any queries now, guys. You can write it out. At the end, you can ask me. Accept the screen. So this is asking the buyer's details. Accept. Accept the screen. Enter the amount 20,000. Enter. So now we have to create new purchase account voucher ledger. Okay, Alt C. Alt purchase account. Purchase account. Under purchase account. Under select purchase account. Accept the screen. Now you need not to enter any quantities here. Just enter. Because we don't have in the sum, we don't have any stock item or quantity rate. Just accept. Yes. So this is we are recording under voucher mode. Provide narration being purchased, being goods purchased. We don't know the particular stock item, so just simply being goods purchased. Type it as narration. Then accept this screen. Then next entry, sixth entry, 17/2020 purchased following stock item from MK Traders with supplier invoice number MK001. Name of the stock item, plastic water bottle, quantity under numbers, rate 100, amount 10,000. Then steel water bottle, quantity under numbers, rate 500, amount 50,000. So this is also purchase entry. So we are using here item invoice mode. So in the previous entry, fifth entry, we are used voucher mode. In sixth entry, we are using item invoice mode. So how to change item invoice mode? So first we have to go with purchase entry F9, then Control V. Enter Control V to change invoice mode. Okay, so in invoice mode it shows quantity, rate, amount. So here under supplier invoice number they have given MK001. Enter MK001. Enter party name MK Traders. You have to create a new ledger. Alt C MK Traders. Purchase account, accept. Sorry, MK Traders comes under a Sunday Creditors. So we have to alter. So escape. If you are committing any mistake, you can alter. Escape. Go to Gateway of Tally. Go to accounting info. Go to ledger. Go to alter. Select MK Traders. MK Traders under Sunday Creditor. Under Sunday Creditor, maintain bill by bill, yes. Enter. Maintain bill by bill, yes. Now accept the screen. Now come to purchase voucher. Get your tally accounting voucher. Now select MK001. Supplier number MK001. Enter. Party name, select party name MK Traders. Accept this screen. So they are asking the details of MK Traders, address, phone numbers. So now we have to create one more purchase account, purchase ledger. So here they are given plastic water bottle and steel water bottle. So commonly I am taking bottle purchase account. So go to Alt C. Under purchase ledger, Alt C. We are creating new ledger, bottle purchase. You want to mention water bottle also, or simply you can enter bottle purchase under purchase account. Okay, accept. Bottle purchase under purchase account. Then name of the stock item, they have given plastic water bottle. We are going to create plastic water bottle. Alt C. Plastic water bottle and steel water bottle we have to create. Alt C. And now type it at plastic water bottle. So this is the name of the stock item. In shortcut we are creating. Then under it's a stock group item. So we have to create bottle. Alt C, water bottle. Create water bottle. Water bottle under primary. Should quantity be item added? Yes. Should quantity be item to be added? Yes. Accept. Not applicable. Unit we have to create numbers. So in quantity they have given numbers. Formal name numbers. Accept. Standard rate no need. Now enter the quantity 100 numbers. Rate 100 and 10,000. Then same way we are going to create one more stock item, that is still water bottle. Alt C, still water bottle. Select water bottle. Numbers. Accept. Quantity 100. Rate 500. Accept. Now provide narration. Being water bottle purchase. 1 minute. Go to MK Data. Benjamin, can you go with Tally? Tally? Go to MK Traders. Control enter. Select MK Traders. Provide control enter key. Or enter F11. Benjamin, go to MK Traders. MK Traders கிட்ட போயிட்டு கண்ட்ரோல் என்டர் ப்ரொவைட் பண்ணலாம். என்டர் கீ என்டர் பண்ணுங்க. ஓகே. மெயின்டைன் பேலன்ஸ் பை பேலன்ஸ். எஸ். ஓகே. Accept. Now accept. Enter F11. Enter F11. Accounting, go to accounting voucher. Accounting voucher. Enter F11. enter பண்ணுங்க. அப்படியே F1 enter பண்ணுங்க. Maintain bill by bill wise details. Yes. Okay. Okay. Then we will continue with the next entry. Go to tally. அப்படியே escape key பண்ணுங்க. Escape. So just I am going to check the balance. Go to display. Go to statement of accounts. Enter. Outstanding. Payable. Go with payable. Okay. So MK Traders, since we are credit purchase, we are not made any payment, so it shows with out balance. Okay. So we have to pay for this one in later on. Okay. Now our sum is right. Then go with next entry. Go to the next entry, sum. Seventh entry, 1/7/2020, sold goods for rupees 40,000 to Chandru Traders on cash with reference number B01. So this is for sales entry. We are recording this sales entry under voucher mode. So go to tally, go to accounting voucher, enter F8 for sales. So now we have to change invoice mode to voucher mode. Control V. As voucher mode, we have to use shortcut key, that will be yes. Reference number BE01. Then next one, we have to create cash, accept, enter the amount. What is the amount? 40,000, I think. 40,000. Enter 40,000. Then next one, we have to create sales account. Alt C. So we don't know what goods we are selling, but they are given simple. They don't give any stock item. So I am creating sales account. If they are mentioned for goods, you can use the name of particular goods or mention sales account. Otherwise, you can simply mention sales account. Sales account. Type it sales account. Under sales account, yes, accept this screen. They don't give any name of the stock item or quantity rate. Just enter. So we are recording this sales entry in voucher mode. So voucher narration being goods sold. So far we have completed 7 entries. Then shall we continue with the 8th entry? Show me the 8th entry. So 8th entry, 1/7/2020 sold the following stock item to Bhavani Traders on credit with reference number B002. Quantity, name of the stock item, plastic water bottle, 50 numbers, rate 150, amount 7,500, steel water bottle, 50 numbers, rate 700, total amount 35,000. So this entry we are going to record in the sales entry by using F8 key in invoice mode. So we have to change the invoice mode. Yeah, F8, this is a F8 sales entry, press F8. Yes, reference number BE002. BE002. Party name, we have to create a new party name. Bhavani Traders. Alt C with Bhavani Traders. Sunday debtors. Under Sunday debtor, select Sunday debtor. Maintain bill by bill. Yes. Yes. Enter. Accept. Then sales ledger. So since no, don't select sales account. Go back. So now it shows water bottle sale. So we can create bottle sales. So now I am creating a new ledger. Water bottle sales or bottle sales under sales account. We have to select sales account. Yes. Accept. Then first one, plastic water bottle. Select plastic water bottle. So available quantity is 100. Out of 100, we are selling 50 quantity. Enter 50 quantity. So in purchase cost is 100 rupees. In selling cost 150. Enter 150. Accept. Enter. Then a steel water bottle. Select steel water bottle. Next one. So first one, plastic water bottle. The same entry, same voucher, we are recording 2 stock items. One is plastic water bottle and another one is steel water bottle. Select steel water bottle. 50 quantity. 700 rupees. Enter. End of list. Now provide the narration. Benjamin, can you press F12? Can you press F12, Benjamin? Wait a minute and press F12. Just a minute, guys. Use default for bill allocation. Yes, other known கொடுங்க. Enter. Control E. Now enter பண்ணிட்டோம். மேல இருந்து enter பண்ணிட்டோங்க. Why it shows negative stock? பேக்ல போங்க. பேக் ஸ்பேஸ் enter பண்ணுங்க. பேக் ஸ்பேஸ் போங்க. இன்னும் பேக் ஸ்பேஸ் போங்க. இன்னும் பேக் ஸ்பேஸ் போங்க. Now enter. அப்படியே enter பண்ணிட்டு வாங்க. Enter. Okay. Now we have to select new reference. So new reference B002. B002. This is the reference number. Type in B002. In the sum they have given, it's B002. Yes, accept. And now provide the narration. Being water bottle sales or sold water bottle to us Bhavana traders. Accept the screen. Then shall we continue with the ninth entry? Ninth entry 1/7/2020 purchase goods for ₹30,000 on cash with supplier invoice number 003. So it is also purchase entry. So we are going to record in this mode. So they don't give any stock items or quantity rate. So I am going to record this entry in voucher mode. So go to F9 purchase and change the mode. Control V in voucher mode. So supplier invoice number 003. Then enter. Credit cash. So purchase goods for 30,000 on cash. So select cash. Accept. Enter 30,000. And then debit purchase amount. Enter purchase amount. Yes. Enter. Provide narration. Being goods purchased. Being goods purchased. Accept. Then next entry, 11th entry. On 2/7/2020 purchased. 2/7/2020 goods for 15,000 was returned to supplier for the purchase made on 1/7/2020 against invoice number 003. So this is purchase return. So here also they don't mention any stock item or quantity or rate. So now we are going to use this entry, or we are going to record this entry by using debit note. Go to Tally. So if you want to enter debit note, we have to activate debit note. Go to F11 future. Go to F under invoice. It shows in the right side. Use debit and credit note. Activate yes. Don't activate these two things. Okay, now accept this thing. So if you are recording with invoice, we have to activate in invoice mode. So if you don't record the invoice mode, we have to activate only for debit and credit note only. You have to accept. Yes. So reference number. Now we have to change with debit note. Control F9. Original invoice number 003. So this is we are doing on 2/7. So change the date. Press F12. So no. Escape. Change and the date enter. F12. 2/7. Yes. Voucher date is 2/7. Accept. Yes. Enter. Yes. So now we are raising a debit note for 15,000. So select cash. Accept. Credit 15,000. Credit, select purchase account. Yes, provide the narration being due to damage, goods must return. Yes, accept the screen. So I am recording the debit note in voucher mode. Then show me the sum. Then 11th entry on 2/7/2020 purchase following stock items from MK Traders with supplier invoice number MK002. Stock item, plastic water bottle, quantity 100 numbers, rate 100, amount 8,000, steel water bottle 100 numbers, rate 500, amount 50,000. Yes, so we are going to record this transaction, this voucher in sales voucher by pressing F8. So we are going to record this entry in by using invoice mode. So under accounting voucher, we have to select F8 sales. So we have to select invoice mode. So reference number, so the date is 2/7. So you need not to change the date. So it shows 2/7. We are going to type it for reference number MK002. Yes. Then party name, we have to select MK Traders. Then accept this screen. Then so this is for bottle sales. So we have to select bottle sales. So name of the stock item, we have to select plastic water bottle and steel water bottle. Quantity 100, rate also under 100.
Hello, sir. This purchase account la dana varum?
Yes, sir. It is.
Yes, ma. Sorry, ma. Okay. Sorry. So just enter F9. Okay. Select MK Traders under purchase account. Select purchase account. Go back. Change into purchase account. Thank you, sir. Plastic water bottle 100. 100. Then steel water bottle 100. 500. New reference MK002. Since we are adding for the purchase entry, we have to use purchase voucher and we have to select purchase account in invoice mode. So we are to give for adjustment number new reference under MK002 and provide narration being goods purchased. Accept. Then next entry, 12th entry, return the following goods which are damaged and to MK Traders for purchase made on 2/7/2020 with supplier invoice number MK002. Name of the stock item, plastic water bottle and steel water bottle. Quantities 50/50, rate 100 and 500, amount 5,000 and 25,000. Okay. So due to damage, we are returning the goods to MK Traders. So we are raising a debit note here. So we are going to record the debit note by using Control F9. Go to Tally. So now in accounting voucher, we have to select debit note pressing F9. Control F9. Now change in the invoice mode. If you want to activate invoice mode, since they have given the stock item, we have to activate invoice mode. Enter F11. Under invoice, you have to accept record credit note and debit note in invoice mode. Accept. Yes. Accept now. Then now use Control V to change invoice mode. Okay, now we are going to record debit note. So debit note, so this is debit note number. So this is the first debit note we are raising. D002. So this is the second debit note we are raising. Enter the date, then party name, select MK Traders, accept, then bottle purchase, select bottle purchase. Now select the stock item, plastic water bottle, 50 numbers. Then steel water bottle, 50 numbers, 500 rupees. Yes. So this is against reference. So we are going to adjust with previous purchase. Okay. So we have to select the method of purchasing. We have to select adjust reference, enter adjust reference. So it shows two bills. So far we are purchasing with MK Traders for two bills. So first bill shows MK001 and MK002. So for this return due to damage, we are returning on bill number MK002 only. We are not returning for MK001. So we should not disturb the MK001 since in the sum itself they have mentioned MK002. So we have to adjust with MK002. Select MK002. Select. Yes. Enter 30,000 and accept. Provide the narration being goods damage due to goods returned due to damage, being goods returned due to damage, and accept the screen. Then next entry, 13th entry, 27/2020 sold the following stock item to Kalyani Traders with reference number B003. Name of the stock item, plastic water bottle and steel water bottle. Quantity 40 numbers, rate 150, 700, amount 6,000 and 28,000. So in this entry, we are going to record with sales entry in invoice mode. So we have to go to tally. Under revenue voucher, we have to select F8 or sales entry. We are going to record the sales entry in invoice mode. Reference number B003. B003. Date, same date. So no need to change the date. Then select Kalyani Traders. So party name is not created. So we have to create new party name. Alt-C. By pressing Alt-C, we have to create a new party name, Kalyani Traders. Under Sunday debtor, since we are giving credit sales, you have to select Sunday debtors. Maintain bill by bill, yes. Yes. Accept. Accept. So under sales ledger, we have to select bottle sales. Bottle sales is already created. Under name of the stock item, we have to select plastic water bottle. Quantity 40 numbers. Rate 150. And then select steel water bottle. Quantity 40 numbers. Rate 700. This is new reference. Provide new reference. New reference V003. V003. New reference V003. Yes. Accept the screen and provide the narration being goods sold to Kalyani Traders. So far we have completed 13 entries. Kalyani Traders and accept the screen. Then next entry, 14th entry, 2/7/2020, following goods returned from Kalyani Traders for sale made on 2/7/2020 with invoice number B003. So what we sold to Kalyani Traders due to damage, they are returning their goods. So we are accepting the goods from Kalyani Traders. So we are going to record this entry for in credit note by raising a credit note, we are recording this voucher. By making credit note, we have to enter Control F8. For passing this entry, we have to enter Control F8, credit note. Yes. So under credit note, we have to give the original number, credit note, CN01. CN01, credit note number 1, enter. Enter. A party name, select party name, Kalyani Traders. Accept. Then sales ledger, we have to select bottle sales. Name of the stock item, we have to select plastic water bottle. Quantity 20 numbers, 8150. Then steel water bottle 20 numbers, 700. This method of adjusting, we have to select against method. So it shows bill bending B003. Accept B003. Yes, accept. Provide a narration. When we are making the method of adjusting, when we are selecting adjusting method, in the same bill itself, the amount will be reduced. And then provide the narration, being goods damaged and returned to Kalyani Trader. Being goods damaged and written from accept the screen. Then next entry, 15th entry, 2/7/2020, payment made to MK Traders ₹60,000 to HDFC check number 103 against reference number MK001. So now we are making the payment to MK Traders. So MK Traders, they issue the bill number MK001. So against MK00 bill number, we are raising the payment. Okay. So since it is a payment entry, we have to record this entry in by pressing F5 in Tally. F5 payment. So we have to select HDFC. Through HDFC only we are making this payment. Select HDFC Bank. The date is 2/7. No need to change the date. To whom we are paying? To MK Traders. Select MK Traders. So MK Traders, it shows the 90,000 amount for bill bending amount. Out of 90,000, we are going to make a payment. It is ₹60,000. Enter 60,000. When we enter the 60,000, it shows method of adjusting. So far we have bought 2 bills from MK Traders. MK Traders, we have received 2 bills. We have to make for 2 payments. One for MK Traders 60,000 and MK Traders 002 for 30,000. So now we are going to make a payment for regarding for MK001. So we have to select MK001. Accept. So it will last instrument number and the check number, we have to record 103. 103. Accept. Provide the narration being check payment made to MK Traders. Then 16th entry. So once you have provided the narration, we have to accept the screen. Then 16th entry, 2/7/2020 received check for ₹42,500 received from Bhavani Traders, bill number B002, and the same is deposited into HDFC Bank. So in this entry, we are receiving money from Bhavani Traders through check. The same check has to deposit into HDFC Bank. So what we received from the check Bhavani Traders, the same check we are depositing into HDFC Bank. So it is a receipt entry. We have to select F6. Date 2/7/2020. So select account name HDFC Bank. Under party, we have to select MK Traders. Bhavani Traders. We are receiving Bhavani Traders. Amount. Show me the amount. Show me the sum. So it is 42,500. Yes. enter 42,500 with against reference. Method of adjusting, we have to select adjusted reference. Enter adjusted reference. So adjusted reference, it shows one pending bill. So accept it. We are receiving the payment regarding for VE002. So accept it. Accept. 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 So since they don't have mentioned here or check number, so we don't know the check number, so kindly skip. Skip and accept the screen. Provide the narration. Check payment received. Receipt from Bhavani Traders and accept this screen. Once if you provide the narration, you have to accept the screen. Then next voucher. Then 2/7/2020 cash rupees 75,000 transferred to petty cash account. So this is for contra entry. So cash to cash, which you have studied already under contra entry. So I am going to make for contra entry. Cash rupees 75,000 transferred to petty cash. So by pressing F4, I am going to record this contra entry. The date, same date. So under account, I am going to create a new account by pressing Alt C. Create petty cash. Alt C. Petty cash account under cash in hand. Petty cash account under cash in hand. Cash in hand. Select cash in hand. We are transferring cash to petty cash. Select cash account. So cash account, it shows huge amount. So the current balance 8,05,000 rupees. Out of 8,05,000, we are transferring to 75,000 to petty cash. Enter 75,000. Narration provide cash transfer to petty cash. Paying cash transfer to petty cash. So each transaction, we must provide the narration. Without narration, you should not accept the screen when you are practicing the sum. Yes. And next entry, 18th hour, 2/7/2020 paid stationery charges of rupees 250 from petty cash. In bracket, use petty cash voucher. So they are given use petty cash voucher. So this is the new voucher type we have to create. So far we don't have petty cash voucher. So it shows a contra voucher. If you enter payment voucher, go to Tally, use petty cash voucher type. We have to create. So if you look at the function key, F5, if you enter F5 payment, we'll go to payment directly. So now we are going to create new. Instead of this payment, I am going to make a payment, petty cash payment voucher. So go to get your Tally. Go to get your Tally. Accounting info. So under accounting info, I am going to create voucher type. I am going to create a new voucher type. Come to voucher type, create. Under create, now type it petty cash. Petty cash payment. Petty cash payment. Petty cash payment. Payment. Under enter. Enter it. Select payment. List of voucher type, it's a payment voucher. So abbreviation payment, enter. Method of voucher numbering, automatic. Enter. Select automatic, accept. Now accept. So this is the way we have to create new voucher type in Tally. Accept. 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 Accept the screen. Now come to accounting voucher. enter F5. If you press F5, now we can view your new vouchers. Enter F5. It will show two things. One is payment. It's already inbuilt. Now, which we have created a new voucher, petty cash. So we have to select petty cash. Under petty cash, we are making the petty cash payment here. So we have to select petty cash in accounts type. Under accounts type, we have to select petty cash. So petty cash, it shows the current balance 75,000. Out of 75,000, we are paying 250 for stationery charges. So we are making stationery charges. So here we have to create stationery. Alt C, stationery. It's indirect expenses. Under you have to change indirect expenses. Stationery comes under indirect expenses. Accept. Enter 250. So now you can see the difference in under petty cash. The current balance, its amount will be reduced. Provide the narration. B. Stationery paid from petty cash. Paid through petty cash. Paid through petty cash. Then next entry. 19th entry.
Sir, we are running out sort of time.
Okay, no problem. We will continue. We will wind up to 25 entry. We will finish up.
Okay.
Is it okay?
I think
Then 19.
I think we can move some little faster.
Okay. So okay. Sure. Then 19th entry 27/2020 petty cash rupees 1,000 rupees given to office staff Kumar to buy weekly magazine. So it is a memorandum voucher. You have to activate memorandum voucher. So go to F11 feature. So under F11 feature, go to budget and scenario management. Under budget and scenario management, the second option, using reversing journal and control. You have to say yes and accept the screen. So come to accounting voucher. Now we have to record for memo vouchers. So it shows Control F10. Select here Control F10 for memo random voucher. So if it shows triple data under particulars, kindly escape and re-enter. Escape பண்ணிட்டு ஒரு முறை அப்படியே escape பண்ணிட்டு போங்க. accounting voucher. Control F10. Okay. So now, under Control F10, show me the sum. So petty cash rupees 1,000 given to office staff to buy weekly magazine. So debit weekly magazine account. Create Alt C weekly magazine. Under indirect expenses, accept. Amount 1,000 rupees. So this amount will not disturb your regular financial account. Credit under petty cash. Yes. Narration. Being cash rupees 1,000 given to Kumar. Then next entry. Show me the sum. So 27/2020, Kalyani Traders gave check rupees 16,500 against bill number B003 and the check is deposited into HDFC Bank. So this is for receipt voucher. So go to voucher. You have to select F6. Select HDFC Bank. Kalyani Traders. We are receiving amount from Kalyani Traders and deposited into HDFC Bank. Amount is 16,500. Enter 16,500 against bill number. Adjusting reference B003. Accept. 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 We are received money from Kalyani Traders. Received. And next entry. Show me the next sum. 2/7/2020 discount allowed to Kalyani Traders rupees 500 against bill number B003. So since we are not made full payment towards to Kalyani Traders நம்ம full payment பண்ணல, அதனால 500 rupees outstanding வெளியில இருக்கும். அப்ப அவங்க இதுக்கு அப்புறம் கொடுக்க go to tally, display, gateway of tally display போங்க. இந்த ஒரே ஒரு ரிப்போர்ட் மட்டும் நான் காமிச்சேன். display, then statement of accounts. அந்த statement of accounts போங்க. outstanding click பண்ணுங்க. receivable பாத்தீங்கன்னா உங்களோட நேம் காமிக்கும் கல்யாணி ட்ரேடர்ஸ். இந்த கல்யாணி ட்ரேடர்ஸ் எனக்கு அவுட்ஸ்டாண்டிங்ல இந்த பில் பெண்டிங் பில் காமிக்கும். இதுக்கப்புறம் I am not going to receive any amount from Kalyani Traders. In this case I am pausing the journal to adjust Kalyani Traders by providing discount allowed. So they have mentioned discount allowed. Okay. So now go to accounting voucher. அந்த இடத்துல இருந்து அந்த 500 நான் ரிமூவ் பண்றேன். உங்களோட பேர் அவுட்ஸ்டாண்டிங்ல வரக்கூடாதுன்னா நான் ஜர்னல் பாஸ் பண்றேன். go to F7 என்டர் பண்ணீங்கன்னா இந்த மாதிரி டபுள் டிஆர் வரக்கூடாது. again you can enter. Okay, debit account. Now create alt C la discount allowed. Discount allowed. Indirect expenses. Accept. 500. Enter 500. Enter. Now select Kalyani Traders. Credit with the Kalyani Traders. So I am using Kalyani Traders. By passing journal, I am adjusting against reference. It shows 500 rupees. Accept. I am adjusting to ledger's name, accounting, discount allowed and Kalyani Traders. So if you see this voucher under Kalyani Traders, it shows current balance 0. If I am not supposed to pass this entry, it will appear 500 here. Still it shows pending amount. Okay, now provide the narration. Being discount allowed and accept the screen. Then next entry 2/7/2020 commission received rupees 80,000. So this is a normal receipt entry. So I am receiving commission. So pass F6. Cash. I am receiving in the mode of cash. Select cash. Enter. So here I have to create new ledger. Commission received. Commission received under it's a indirect income. Select indirect income. It's not the expenses. Commission received. It's a income. Select indirect income and accept. 80,000. Provide narration. Being commission received. Then accept. Next entry 2/7/2020 deposit cash rupees 50,000 to SBI Bank. So out of cash I am going to deposit 5 lakhs towards to SBI Bank. So this is contra entry. Enter F4. So I am going to deposit in the SBI Bank. So create SBI Bank. Alt C SBI Bank. Under bank account, accept the screen. Accept the screen. from cash, select cash account, credit to the cash account. Enter 5 lakhs. Enter. Paying cash deposit into SBI Bank. So this is contra entry. So cash deposit to SBI Bank, cash to bank account. Then next entry, show me the next entry quickly. 27/2020 rupees 20,000 transfer from SBI to HDFC Bank. So this is contra entry since it involves two bank entry. So I am transferring SBI to HDFC Bank. F4. So select HDFC Bank. Debit account, HDFC Bank account. Credit. I am providing from SBI. SBI. What is the amount? 2 lakhs. Enter 2 lakhs. So the transaction between two banks. Yes. So now you can view the balance of SBI Bank. It shows. So out of 5 lakhs, now it shows 3 lakhs. Bank transfer. Provide the narration with bank transfer. So I think one more entry, last entry. Accept the screen. Bank transfer from SBI to HDFC. Last entry, 27/2020 advance received from Money and Co. cash rupees 50,000. I am receiving cash advance. I am receiving cash from Money and Co. in advance. So it's also receipt entry. F6. So I am receiving cash. Select cash from Money and Co. Create Money and Co. Sunday, select under Sunday debtor is by party. Yes. Maintain bill by way. Yes. Enter 50,000. So method of addressing, we have to select advance. Okay. Accept. So now we are accept the screen. Provide the narration being advance received from Money and Co. So far we have entered 25 entries. Now we are going to view the reports. So I will take few more minutes to show all the reports. Okay, first one we have to go and check with balance sheet. First go to balance sheet. So your balance sheet must tally with 20,31,750. Your profit and loss account, it has to 1,750. Okay, then go to profit and loss account. This is first report. Loss account, profit 1,750. Then next one, go to stock summary. Profit and loss account. Go to profit and loss account. Alt F1 கொடுங்க. If you check with profit and loss account, weekly magazine should not appear. 250 அங்க வந்து அந்த weekly magazine வந்து நம்மளோட அமௌண்ட் வரக்கூடாது. ஸோ ஒரு நிமிஷம் அந்த ஓகேவா? ஸோ மீதி எல்லாமே கரெக்ட். இங்க வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா நமக்கு இந்த வீக்லி மேகசின் வந்து நம்ம எதுல ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணிருக்கோம். ஓகேவா? then next one, stock summary. So stock summary பாத்தீங்கன்னா டோட்டலா உங்களுக்கு 160 இருக்குது. go with plastic water bottle
பிளாஸ்டிக் வாட்டர் பாட்டில் பார்த்தா இன்வெர்ஸ் இருக்கும், அவுட்வெர்ஸ் இருக்கும். என்டர் பண்ணுங்க பாருங்க. இந்த ரிப்போர்ட் என்டர் பண்ணுங்க. இப்போ இதுல பாத்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு என்டையர் வியூஸ் கிடைக்கும். நீங்க எவ்வளவு பர்ச்சேஸ் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க, டோட்டல் இன்வெஸ்ட் பாத்தீங்கன்னா 150 இருக்குது. சேல்ஸ் எவ்வளவு பண்ணிருக்கீங்கன்னா 70 இருக்குது. இதுல வந்து அந்த மைனஸ் வர்றது எல்லாமே பார்த்தோன்னா நீங்க ரிட்டர்ன் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க டியூ டு டேமேஜ். இப்போ இன்வெஸ்ட்ல 50 இருக்குது, அப்ப பர்ச்சேஸ் ரிட்டர்ன் கொடுக்குறீங்க. அவுட்வெர்ட்ஸ்ல 20 யூனிட்ஸ் இருக்கு, அது சேல்ஸ் ரிட்டர்ன். அவைலபிள் குவான்டிட்டி க்ளோசிங் இருக்கு. ஓகே, ஸோ லைக் திஸ் வி ஹேவ் டு செக் வித் ஸ்டாக் சம்மரி ரிப்போர்ட். தென் next go to display. Display உங்களோட டே புக் போங்க. go to day book, alt F2, enter alt F2, 1727 மேல ஃப்ரம்ல வந்து 17 சேஞ்ச் பீரியட் நம்ம 1 தேதி 2 தேதி தான் போட்டுருக்கோம். 1727. ஸோ உங்களோட என்டையர் 25 என்ட்ரிஸ் இங்க அப்பியர் ஆகும். என்டர் F12 கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா F12 கொடுங்க. F12 கீழே பாத்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு ப்ரொவைட் நரேஷன் இருக்கும். ஸோ நரேஷன்ல எஸ் கொடுங்க. அதுல வந்து எஸ் ப்ரொவைட் எஸ் அக்செப்ட். ஒவ்வொரு இதுக்குமே உங்களுக்கு நரேஷன் கீழே வரும். ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி ரிப்போர்ட்ஸ் நீங்க வியூ பண்ணணும். ஓகே, இந்த ரிப்போர்ட்டை நீங்க புதுசா போடுறீங்க இருக்கும். எஸ்கேப் கொடுங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் பாத்தீங்கன்னா go to accounts book. Accounts book enter accounts book cash and bank book. go to cash and bank book. இப்போ உங்களோட டோட்டல் கேஷ் அண்ட் பேங்க் பேலன்ஸ் இங்க அவைலபிளா இருக்கும். அதுல வந்து உங்களுக்கு கேஷ் இன் ஹேண்ட் எவ்வளவு இருக்குது, தென் பெட்டி கேஷ் எவ்வளவு இருக்கு நம்ம செக் பண்றோம். ஸோ go to cash in hand. கேஷ் செலக்ட் பண்ணீங்கன்னா ஸோ 13,60,000. பெட்டி கேஷ்ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா 74,750. இது ரெண்டுமே உங்களோட கேஷ் அவைலபிள் பேலன்ஸ். தென் பேங்க் பேலன்ஸ் பாத்தீங்கன்னா HDFC 2,99,000 and SBI 3 lakh. Okay, this is the available balance. Total available balance was 2,33,750. Escape. So இந்த இடத்துல நீங்க ரிப்போர்ட் பார்க்கணும். Then next one பாத்தீங்கன்னா அக்கவுண்ட்ஸ் புக்ல போங்க. go to accounts book. அதே போட்டீங்கன்னா கீழே சேல்ஸ் ரெஜிஸ்டர், பர்ச்சேஸ் ரெஜிஸ்டர் இருக்கும். go to sales register. The entire sales register you can view here. அந்த சேல்ஸ் ரெஜிஸ்டர்ல என்டர் பண்ணீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு 3 என்ட்ரிஸ் இருக்கும். தென் பர்ச்சேஸ் ரெஜிஸ்டர் போங்க. இப்போ இதுலயே வந்து இந்த கல்யாண டீடைல்ஸ் மட்டும் என்டர் பண்ணுங்க. ஓகே, இங்கே வந்து நீங்க டீடைல் வியூ போகலாம். பர்ச்சேஸ் ரெஜிஸ்டர் போங்க. அந்த பர்ச்சேஸ் ரெஜிஸ்டர் என்டர் பண்ணுங்க. அங்க alt F2 கொடுத்துட்டு நீங்க டேட் செக் பண்ணி பாத்துங்க. அப்ப என்டர் உங்களோட பர்ச்சேஸ் ரெஜிஸ்டர்ஸ் இங்க வியூ ஆகும். Okay, then escape. Next one பாத்தீங்கன்னா statement of accounts. outstanding நம்ம பேமெண்ட் நமக்கு வர வேண்டியது எதுவுமே இல்ல. then payable நீங்க சென்டெக்ஸ் கிரெடிட்டார்ஸ் கிட்ட பர்ச்சேஸ் பண்ணதுல பாத்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு ஒரு பெண்டிங் பில் இருக்குது, 2 பெண்டிங் பில் இருக்கு. சோ நீங்க வந்து ஒண்ணா மணி அண்ட் போக எம்கே டேஸ் நீங்க பேமெண்ட் பண்ணல. ஓகே, then escape key கொடுங்க. escape அங்கே ஸ்டாட்டிஸ்டிக்ஸ் பார்த்துட்டு வந்துங்க. ஸ்டாட்டிஸ்டிக்ஸ் போங்க, என்டர் பண்ணுங்க. so we are recorded 25 entries. அப்ப 25 entries இருக்கும். so கான்ட்ரா, டெபிட் நோட், கிரெடிட் நோட் எல்லா வகையான ரிப்போர்ட்ஸ்மே இதுலயே இருக்குது. ஓகே, then லாஸ்டா எக்ஸெப்ஷனல் ரிப்போர்ட் போய்ங்க. எக்ஸெப்ஷனல் ரிப்போர்ட் பண்ணீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு மெமரண்டம் வவுச்சர் அதோட ரிப்போர்ட் பார்த்துட்டு வந்துருங்க. ஓகே, இருக்கா மெமரண்டம் நம்ம போட்டது நமக்கு இங்க அப்பியர் ஆகும். தென் ஜர்னல் ரெஜிஸ்டர் நம்ம ஜர்னல் என்ட்ரி போட்டுருக்கோம். ஜர்னலோட பார்க்கணும். எஸ்கேப் கீ கொடுங்க. மேல போங்க, எஸ்கேப் கீ கொடுங்க. எஸ்கேப் இதுல போங்க, அக்கவுண்ட்ஸ் புக்ல போங்க. go to accounts book. அக்கவுண்ட்ஸ் புக்ல கீழே ஜர்னல் இருக்கு பாருங்க. ஜர்னல் ரெஜிஸ்டர் செலக்ட் பண்ணீங்க. இங்க ஜர்னல் இருக்கு, டெபிட் நோட் இருக்கு, கிரெடிட் நோட் இருக்கு. நீங்க ஜர்னல் என்ட்ரி இது பண்ணீங்கன்னா நீங்க போட்டு ஒரு ஜர்னலுக்கு காமிக்க டிஸ்கவுண்ட் அவர் காமிக்கும். தென் டெபிட் நோட் போங்க. ஸோ டெபிட் நோட் நம்ம 2 என்ட்ரி போட்டிருக்கோம். கேஷ் என்கே ட்ரேடர்ஸ் என்டர் பண்ணுங்க. கேஷ் என்கே ட்ரேடர்ஸ் இருக்கும். தென் அதுக்கப்புறம் நம்ம சேல்ஸ்லயும் நம்ம டெபிட் நோட் ரைஸ் பண்ணிருக்கோம். கிரெடிட் நோட் பண்ணுங்க. கிரெடிட் நோட் நம்ம கல்யாண ட்ரேடர்ஸ் பண்ணிருக்கோம். ஓகேவா? ஸோ லைக்வைஸ் we have to check the reports. So with this I will conclude. Thank you guys. Immediately you can join in EVA English class. So after that again we will meet at 3 o'clock. Okay, at 3 o'clock வந்து நம்ம we will have any doubt we can clarify your doubts. Thank you guys.